Cheryl Alderman here, business coach, mentor and life coach from Be Ultimate, and today I want to talk to you about ditching the sales pitch. So many small business owners come to me and they are stressed out about the fact they have to know how to condense what they do in their business to 30 seconds or 60 seconds in a room when they're networking or whatever the case may be. They're stressed, they're nervous, it's not natural for them to want to sell, it's not what they do, it's not who they are. They don't want to be the car salesman or the insurance guy. They're gentle people who are passionate about what they do, but they're really not salesmen or saleswomen. So what do I tell them? I tell them, ditch that sales pitch. I am not a fan of the 60-second elevator pitch. If you can condense what you do in your business to 60 seconds or 30, chances are you're probably eliminating about 95% of your client base in that little piece that you're delivering. Because to bring your business down to that smaller chunk is ignoring probably most of what you're actually doing. So I suggest to people, stop trying to sell, just have conversations, talk to people, ask them questions. And most people who are in small business are so passionate about what they do that the minute they start to actually talk about it, their faces light up, their passion starts to shine through, and that's what attracts a client to them. That's what makes your clients want you. They see your passion, they feel your passion, they can get the energy from you, that you love what you do and you believe in it. That's what attracts clients. So if you're tired of trying to sell, if you're tired of pushing yourself onto people or feeling like you're maneuvering people into becoming a firm hot lead for you and it makes you uncomfortable, if you'd rather switch it around and learn how to attract clients into your business, learn how to lead them in a soft, gentle way that isn't pushy, that isn't in their face, then I can help you with that. Feel free to give me a call, 02 8011 4114, and remember, ditch that sales pitch, be ultimate in business because ordinary is overrated.